What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy Denzel FX. Today we're taking a look at OneFunded, a prop firm that allows you to trade up to $200,000 of capital without risking your own money. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what makes it different from other prop firms, and if it's actually worth your money. And I'll take you inside the platform so you can see everything for yourself. So I'm going to keep it completely real with you guys. A lot of traders don't fail because they lack the skill. They fail because they are actually undercapitalized. So you're trying to grow a $200 account or a $500 account when the real money is actually made with size. So now imagine applying that same strategy on a $100,000 account. And that exactly is the difference that prop firms make. They don't change your strategy, they just change your potential. The first thing you have to do is obviously pick your challenge. OneFunded has a wide range of account sizes you can trade with, starting with as little as a $5,000 account, scaling all the way up to $200,000. So once you pick your challenge, the next step is obviously you need to pass your challenge. So with all of these challenges that they have available, you need to check out what the requirements are. So some challenges have a 7% profit target for phase 1 and a 4% profit target for phase 2. Some of them is only a one-step account, and some of them also have a profit target of 8% for phase 1 and 4% for phase 2. So once you pass whatever challenge that you chose, the next step is very simple. You are officially a funded trader with OneFunded, which means now you can trade with whatever capital that you have, and you get to keep up to 90% of your profits. And if you ask me, that's actually such a simple system, and it actually also rewards discipline. So one thing that I actually love about OneFunded is the platform flexibility. So right now they've actually got MetaTrader 5, cTrader, and TradeLocker. And if you're not new to trading, you know that having MT5 is actually such a big deal. And personally speaking, the Flex Challenge for me is one of the best challenges they actually have to offer. And this is where it actually gets interesting. There's no consistency rules. And if you pass, you actually get another free challenge. So you're not consistently paying again and again and again like other prop firms. Plus, you can get a 5K account for as little as $54. So now let me show you the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. So the dashboard is actually very easy to navigate. So right now, as you can see, we are on the home page. So every challenge that you take and every account that you have is listed here on the home page, such as your phase 1, your phase 2, and your live accounts, right? The next thing that they do have to offer is the economic calendar. So if you jump over to this tab over here, you get to see all the upcoming news events for that trading day and also for the trading week. So right now, as you can see, we have AUD employment change, which is happening in roughly 3 hours. This really keeps you up to date. Instead of you going to other sources like Forex Factory, you can literally jump onto your own dashboard and check out the economic calendar. So now let's jump into the reward center. So on the reward center, you can actually win free challenges and you can get discounts. All you have to do is literally just follow everything that you see here on the screen. So for example, if you follow OneFunded on Instagram, follow them on X, post a testimonial video on social media, complete a challenge, join the Discord, post your payout reward, and leave a Trustpilot review, you can then be eligible to get many discounts like 50% off, 30% off, a free 5K challenge, and also 15% off discount when you're purchasing a new challenge. So this is absolutely great. And there's actually also a leaderboard section, so you can actually see who is the top dog right now in real time. So this is fully transparent. So right now, as you can see, we can see who's in first place on a 5K account. This user has made over 21%. So this is good for motivation. And obviously, if you are trading, you really do want to see yourself up on this leaderboard. And it's very good, very easy, and very transparent. So now let's head over to the challenge section. So in the home page, you just click on new challenge, and right about now you can see all the challenges that are available right now. So we've got the flash 1-step, we've got the core 2-step, we've got the value 2-step, and we've also got the flex 2-step. And with this right here, you can actually see all the platforms that are available. We've got MT5, like I already mentioned, we've got cTrader, and we've got TradeLocker. So with each account type, as you can see, there is different profit targets. So here with the flash 1-step, the profit target is 10% for phase 1, and that is literally it. And let's take a look at the Flex account. So with the Flex account, we've got a 7% profit target for phase 1 and a 4% profit target for phase 2. So once you pick the challenge that you want, all you have to do is come over here to the discount section and use a discount code 5PT, and you can get up to 15% off. So let's take a quick look at the value 2-step challenge. So as you can see with the value 2-step challenge, you can literally start trading with as little as $2,000 for the cost of $16 to get this account. And if you actually apply the discount code 5PT, you get an additional 15% off. That's crazy. And one thing to remember is that the fee is refundable once you get your first payout. So you can, let's just say, invest literally $88 and get a 2% payout. You get 90% of that 2% payout, and you get a full refund of your $88 that you spent to buy this account. That's great. So if you perform well, you're actually not even losing that initial cost that got you the account. So in terms of prop firm credibility, OneFunded actually do not lack. Right now, they're ranked top firm on investing.com, number 1 on Trade Locker Hub, top 5 on MyFXBook, top 3 on Bazinga, and they've also got a 4.4 Trustpilot rating. So they're not new, they're actually building serious traction right now. So let me run you through some key features that really stand out when it comes to OneFunded. They've got transparent rules, low entry cost, you can trade up to $200,000 worth of accounts, flexible challenges, MT5 support, super fast payouts, so you can receive your payouts quickly via crypto or bank transfer. So everything is actually built for traders who want to scale. At the end of the day, it's actually very, very simple. You can keep trying to grow a small account, or you can use OneFunded as a stepping stone to make money faster. So if you're serious about trading, check out the link in my description and get yourself a OneFunded account. And like I already said, if you use my discount code 5PT, you can bag yourself 15% off any challenge. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay locked in.